Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete AOL mail all at once. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up AOL mail app. Make sure you have already downloaded it and sign in with your account. Now go to your profile image on top left corner. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will show you your menu. So go back and tap on inbox. Now here you can see a list of mail. So in order to delete all of these, first of all select one of it. Let me select simple learn email. Simply hold on it for a second. Now it will give you this menu. Now tap on select message. Once you tap on it, it will show you this option select all. Once you tap on select all, it will select all the mail that is located, that is shown on your AOL mail account. So now what you should do is tap on delete icon on bottom left corner. Tap on it. Now you can see that you have successfully deleted all these mail. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.